Free-fall lifeboats are a crucial component of maritime safety, designed to evacuate passengers and crew from a ship in emergencies such as sinking, fire, or other hazards. These lifeboats are specifically engineered to be launched from a ship at a significant height, allowing them to free fall into the water with controlled descent. Types of ships using free-fall lifeboats are oil and gas tankers, cargo ships, container ships, and passenger ships. The capacity of free-fall lifeboats can vary, ranging from smaller models that accommodate a dozen people to larger ones capable of holding over 100 occupants. Free-fall lifeboats have a unique hull design that allows them to absorb the impact of hitting the water at high speeds. The hull is typically reinforced to withstand the forces of free-fall descent. These lifeboats have sophisticated release mechanisms, ensuring a controlled water descent. The release is typically initiated by a hydraulic or pneumatic system, providing a smooth and reliable launch. These lifeboats may include stabilization systems, such as fins or inflatable tubes, to enhance stability during free fall. These features help prevent capsizing and ensure a safe landing. Many free-fall lifeboats are designed to be self-righting, meaning they automatically flip into an upright position in the water. This feature is essential for ensuring the safety of occupants during evacuation. Some free-fall lifeboats come equipped with emergency propulsion systems, such as small outboard motors, to navigate away from the ship and reach a safe distance.